All right, detectives, today we're going to crack the case of simultaneous equations. Let's open our toolkit.
So what are we up against? Simultaneous equations. They're basically two clues that share the same mystery variables.
Our mission is to find the one pair of values for x and y that makes both equations true.
Like here, for example. The only solution that works for both is x equals 3 and y equals 5.
Now to solve these puzzles, you need the right tools. We're going to master 3 of them today.
Okay, tool number 1, the substitution method. This one is all about swapping a clue from one equation into another. Here's the game plan. First, get one variable by itself. Then plug that into the other equation and solve.
All right, let's see this thing in action. Here's our first case file.
So we just tweak that first equation to get y alone. Now we can pop it into the second one. And boom, we solve for x, which then gives us y. Case closed. The answer is x equals 5 and y equals 2.
Up next in the toolkit, the elimination method. The name says it all. We're going to make a variable vanish.
The strategy here is to multiply the equations so a variable matches up. Then add or subtract to wipe it out.
Let's try this method on our next case. This one looks a little tougher, but we can handle it.
See? We multiply both equations, then subtract. And just like that, the x terms are gone. Vanished.
That leaves us with y equals 2. We plug that back in, and we get x equals 6. Another case solved.
And for our final tool, cross multiplication. This is like a secret formula for a super direct solution.
You just have to get the equations into standard form first. Then you can unleash the formula.
Let's take a look. This case is already set up perfectly in standard form for us. Nice.
You just arrange the numbers and multiply across in a crisscross pattern. This builds the answer right there.
And voila, the formula spits out the answer directly. We get x equals 7 and y equals 8. Easy peasy.
So you might be thinking, what's the big deal? Well, these tools solve actual real-world problems.
For example, you could figure out the digits of some unknown number just by using these equations. Or how about this? You can use them to solve a mystery about two people's ages from just a few clues.
Even something complex like figuring out different ticket prices becomes totally straightforward with this stuff.
So now you've got the toolkit. Remember, every puzzle has a solution. The only question is, what will you solve next?